Hey, what's up everybody? Liz Medley. I want to talk to you about why you should be using your Facebook business page and a little bit how to. So I'm going to talk about some features and some benefits to actually using this. So I'm excited to share a little bit with you. I have been using my business page consistently now for about 6 months. I've actually had this business page since about 2007 when I owned my brick and mortar business. I wasn't consistent on it. I didn't build an audience on there. I wasn't providing value, so I didn't get a lot of benefit from it until about this past August 2016. I started being very consistent and utilizing it a little bit more, and now I try to be as consistent as I can be. So I want to teach you guys a little bit about why you should be using your Facebook business page and some benefits and features to using it. So I had a lot of you guys ask this week about your business page. You say that you mainly build your business page on your personal page. If this is you, comment below and say, yeah, I mainly do my business on my personal page. That was me. I always used it because that's where my friends and family were. That's where I was connected. That's where my customers were. And so Facebook puts out a poll every year and they ask what do the users want? Well, the users want to see less business and less people selling stuff on their personal page. And so I know that and I see that and I know you guys can relate to it also. Sometimes it's like me and commercial after commercial, especially if people are posting just graphics and pictures that they didn't even take themselves. So here's the deal. Facebook knows if we're doing business on our personal page. So, but that's where you get the interaction. You go live on your business page, you get nothing. You go live on your personal page, you get a ton of interaction. So what can you do to build your business on your business page? Business pages are made for business. Personal profiles are made for personal things. Here are some tips and tricks that you can do to build your business page and get the people that are on your personal profile to your business. So if you're going to plan out your lives and plan out your content, you can make an announcement on your personal page. Hey everyone, I'm going live tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern time to tell you X, Y, and Z. So make the announcement. You can even post that announcement on your business page with a cute little picture of you. Use word swag to put some word over it, and then you can share that to your personal page even. And so then they can just click your business page name and they know. So you can make the announcement. Another idea is go ahead and go live. And if you have two devices, like my laptop's right here, so I could share this to my personal page instantly. And so my personal followers and audience will see this content and they're going to start gradually gravitating to your business page. So that's a couple of examples. Making the announcements, and if you're planning your lives, it makes it easy. I went over the 9 steps to going live last week, so if you haven't seen that, you can pick it up on my YouTube channel. Then also I talked about sharing your lives to your personal page. So not only sharing your lives to your personal page, but sharing them to groups that you're involved in. You know, if you are adding value and you are involved in a community, a Facebook group, share it into that. If you have a team group, share it into that group. So you can definitely grow a following if you're putting out good content and sharing it into the appropriate places. Don't repost it. Share it from your business page to your profile, or your business page to Facebook groups. If you are just joining us, hello and welcome. If you're watching this as a replay, just know that I read all the comments and I will answer them as best as I can. So, and then let's see. What else was I going to tell you guys? Oh, here's another way to grow your business. So as you're consistently putting out content on your business page, sharing it to the appropriate places, people are going to like a post or they're going to like this broadcast. And so then what you do is from a desktop, you go to your business page, and anyone who's reacted or liked it, you can invite them to like your business page. And so that's an easy way to increase the likes, and then they'll get notification when you put out content. And then one of my favorite features about a business page is the inbox. So you guys, if you are not using Facebook business page to do business, you have to, for this reason alone. Facebook's business inbox is insane amazing. It's absolutely incredible. So if you're chatting with someone over here, it's going to tell you their time zone, a little bit of information about them. You can take notes. You can flag them and tag them as you can create custom ones. Like I was trying to build business in Hong Kong, and so everyone that I interacted with that lives in Hong Kong, I would put a tag Hong Kong. I'd also flag them if I needed to follow up. I would take notes about past conversations. It is absolutely the best. Here's another feature it has is autoresponder. So if I'm always sending out a certain email, certain message, or a certain reply to my customers, then I can have it set up like as an autoresponder. And so I just know, bam. And it can even insert their name, so it seems more custom and more personal. If you're a network marketer or you're an entrepreneur, we're often getting asked the same questions over and over and over again. And if you have skills and system with your business, you know that they say this, you say that, right? It's part of it. So you can have that already set in. I've also done this with several of my teammates while teaching them prospecting skills, prospecting systems. I will have them bring their computer over or their laptop over, or if I go to their house, we'll sit down and we'll just put the system right in, and then they're able to say, okay, Liz, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and then they can go in and customize it and make it more them and for more the conversation. So it's not like totally, it's not scripted, but they can see the system. They can see the system and make it their own. And so then once they use it several times, they're like, okay, I got this. So there's so many great uses. And that was a big whirlwind. I did not mean to go all the way over there, but I went there because Facebook business page inbox rocks. So let's do a real quick recap. If you're mainly using your personal profile for business, Facebook knows it and they're limiting your reach. Hop on over to your business page and share what you post on your business page to your personal page. And also, it doesn't annoy your friends because it makes it acceptable because you shared it and you didn't post it. Psychological. And then if you're planning out your lives, you can say, hey everybody, on your personal profile, hey everyone, I'm going live. And then you make the announcement so then they know to come over here. What else did we say? Share your posts over, share them to other groups, and then invite people that react to your posts, invite them to like your business page, and then the business page inbox is insane amazing. So comment below and let me know what your biggest takeaway was from this live. What did you find the most value in? What made you go, oh? But not only go, oh, but what makes you go, okay, I can start that now. Okay, that's easy enough. I can do that now. Comment below, let me know. We did have some questions come through right off the bat. So let me scroll back through here and see if we can find those. Yvonne says, I'm always uncertain on how and what exactly to put on my business page. Business stuff. Anything related to your business goes onto your business page. Lifestyle, attraction marketing, that goes on your personal page. You can follow me on my personal page if you'd like, so you can kind of see a difference. Since you're already over here, you can see what I post there versus what I post here and what I share from here to what I share there. Just search Liz Medley and you can find me there. Let's see, Amber. Hi, Amber. Hey, Samantha. Samantha says, what if we have a group? Should we move them to a page? If you have a group, like a business group, yeah, you should definitely try to get them interacting on your business page because your business page is public. And so when your customers or your friends or whoever's in your group is on and interacting with your business page, that goes out public. So then their friends and 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 friends forever see your stuff. When you're in a group, it's just the limit is the amount of people inside that group, unless it's a public group. But I don't know that you would have a business page or business group that'd be public. So yeah, absolutely. And you can share stuff from your business page into groups. Gail, that's what I want to know, Samantha too. A page versus a group. Yeah, I have a group, but I don't use it because I feel like it's a waste of time because it totally limits my reach. And I want my message to go to as many people as I can. Let's see. Shannon, would you share in a group for a previous party, or would that seem too much? Okay, so Shannon, you were in a party plan company, and would you share stuff from your business page to your group? Absolutely. No, you totally can. As long as the content correlates, then it's good. All right, let's see what other stuff we got. Hey, Kaylee. What's up, Brandy? Brandy, I will start using my business page more. I was sharing from my personal to my business. I was doing it backwards. Yeah, absolutely. Do your business on your business page because Facebook has the audio, like voice recognition. So they know when we're doing business on our personal page and they are limiting you. So let's go on. Yeah, I think I answered everyone's questions. So if you have anything else, you're watching this as a replay, definitely comment below. I do read all the comments. I try to respond to everybody. Same thing if you message me, that's a little bit harder for me to get back to you. But I am cheering you guys on. I believe in you. Thank you for the hearts and likes. I believe in you. I hope you believe in yourself. This is entrepreneurship is just an incredible blessing to so many, and I feel privileged to be able to learn and share, because every time I share and I reteach what I learn so much more, and so I thank you for that. You guys teach me so much, and it's just incredible to have Facebook as this type of platform to be able to get this message out. So if you find value, make sure you share it with your team or tag your business bestie below. And again, if you have a question, just comment and I'll try and answer that. Talk to you guys soon.